Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. So today we are back again with one more speaking mock test to give you a real exam like feel. So here I'll be asking you questions and then you need to pause the video, record your answers for that and then move to the next one. So that you are able to know that how well you can speak in the real exam type. Nowadays the exams are taken through videos. So it will be a good practice for you to get hang of it. First, let's see some of the rules, how you have to follow. So as far as the timing is concerned, the part 1, for each questions you will be answering for maximum 35 seconds. Do not answer for more than 3 to 4 sentences for each questions until you are not stopped. If you are stopped, fine. If you are not stopped, then keep elaborating. For part 2, you will be given a cue card. You need to prepare on that particular cue card for 1 minute. So I will be giving you 1 minute to prepare, and after that you will have maximum 2 minutes to speak on the particular topic. So you have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. Do not record yourself for more than 2 minutes. And the next is the part 3, that is the follow-up question or the general discussion, where each answer should be at least 45 seconds. Try to complete it in 45 seconds. In real exam, you may have to elaborate it or you may get stopped at even 30 seconds. So do not worry, but for this virtual exam like test, you need to record each answer for 45 seconds to fit your timer for these three. So part 1 maximum 35 seconds, part 2 2 minutes, and part 3 45 seconds for each answer. After recording yourself, at the end of the video you will find the marking criteria, so you can check your answers and get where you stand, which band you stand, and which area you lack. To know the detailed feedback on your speaking, you can contact us for paid mock test or for paid classes or 12 days crash courses for each individual modules, so that we can help you better in your preparation. For free practice materials and different videos to help you prepare each and every module with topic specific vocabulary, questions, ideas and all helping materials, do visit our website ieltswinners.net. So let's start our mock test. Part 1, personal discussion. Hello, my name is Anshu. Can you tell me your full name, please? Do you work or study? Where do you come from? Okay, let's talk about strangers. Do you speak to strangers? Is it safe to speak to strangers? Are you comfortable to start a conversation with a stranger? Have you asked a stranger for help? Do you think children should talk to strangers? Moving on, let's talk something about future. What do you think the future holds for you? What are your future plans? Are you worried about your future? Do you think you'd have a bright future? What challenges do you see for yourself in the near future? That is the end of your part 1. Now let's move on to part 2, cue card. Part 2, cue card long run. So you will be given a cue card. You need to prepare on it for 1 minute and then speak for 2 minutes. Here is your question. Describe a time you were surprised to see or meet a friend. You should say, when did this happen? Who was this friend? Where was it? And explain what surprised you on seeing or meeting them. So your preparation time for 1 minute begins now. Your 1 minute preparation time is up. Now record yourself and answer this question for not more than 2 minutes. So your time begins now. Your time is up. That is the end of your part 2 cue card. Let's move to part 3. Part 3, general discussion or follow-up questions. Do youngsters in your country plan surprise parties or trips? Do you think one should plan or be spontaneous in doing things? Why are people surprised even when they plan and do not achieve results? Do unexpected situations make people stressed? Why or why not? Are unexpected behaviors from people a sign of anger? That is the end of your part 3 and your speaking test. Now, with your recorded answer, check, listen, and see which band you score and which area you lack so that you can work on them most properly. And if you need any guidance, do contact us on our various social media platforms. IELTS winners are there to help you in every possible way, free or paid classes. So hope you did well. All the best for your real exam, and do take our mock test for reading, listening, writing at given time and be online. Happy learning. Good day.